No, he might pee on everything while we're doing it.
Rat,
But you know.
pee on everything.
What's that?
I don't know. What is that?
I don't know. Let's go find out.
Says you've got fun mail.
What's fun mail?
Let's open it and find out.
That's cool.
Let's go on a journey where you're looking for envelopes.
Okay.
Playgrounds are fun, especially when they're close by. It's where you'll find your first clue. The park?
I think she means the park.
Let's go.
All right. Well, we're here. You want to do something cool that I like about this park?
What? What's that?
I love the fact that they turned the old school building over here into the park, and they also use it to house some of the stuff for the fairs and stuff, like the moon pie and the craft fair.
Oh, that's really neat.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Is that it?
Oh my gosh, that could be it. Let's go look. Is it that red? Once separated, now united. You never know what you girls are gonna find. Girls? Find?
Oh, wait. Do they mean the findery? Farm Girls Findery.
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay, let's go check that out.
Yeah, let's go! Let's go, Reggie Roo.
Did you know that the Findery used to be the Charlie Lovin Museum?
No, sure didn't. How cool. Hey, there it is. What's it say?
This really isn't a hall, but it's part of the town.
Isn't a hall a town?
Town Hall! Let's go. Can you put this in your bag?
Sure can. Hey, isn't this where they have all the important information for Bell Buckle at? Town Hall?
All the town meetings are held here.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
The center of Bell Buckle.
Okay, there it is. In general, you will not be able to see all this place has in store in one day.
Oh, that's definitely Phillips General Store.
All right, let's go.
Did you know General Store was actually a general store, just named after its own name?
Oh, makes sense.
Oh, look,
Oh,
there's
there
your logo.
it is.
For a sweet treat, let's keep it in the family.
The ice cream store.
His mama owns the ice cream
Yes.
store, Mama Phillips.
Yes.
I could use some ice cream.
And some fried pies.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. So did you know in 1871 this used to be a grocery store?
Oh, wow.
And then nearly 100 years later, in 1970s, they started serving ice cream here.
nice.
That's pretty cool. Oh, look, right there. Sometimes you just gotta go to wake up and smell the coffee.
Your favorite.
Let's go. Well, we're here. I don't see no envelope.
Why don't we try the front of the coffee shop?
Oh yeah, that's right. Let's go.
No, the coffee shop used to be a restaurant. A Mexican restaurant.
Ay, ay, ay. There it is. What's it say, Juju? Read it.
You'd better buckle up for some good eating.
Cafe.
Yeah.
Go.
Y'all eat yet? The cafe actually used to be the post office.
Really?
That's why the steps are so worn out.
You know?
There's so many people traveling in it.
That's what my daddy told me a long time ago. That's pretty cool. I like that.
A place full of charm and southern hospitality. Let's go have a tea.
That Southern charm.
Did you know that Southern Charm, where I work, used to be Johnson's Grocery, which is actually my grandmother's brother-in-law at one time.
You know, Bell Buckle sure had a lot of grocery stores over a period of time.
Yeah, it's been a lot of different things for different stores here.
That's cool. I love it. I love Town of Bell Buckle. Hey, there's the envelope. But it looks different this time, Julie.
Go check it out.
Okay. So glad you made it. What's it say? Let's all enjoy a sport of tea. There's room for you. Let's go have a sport of tea, Julie.
Something smells good.
Yes.
Let's go to the back and find out.
Yes. You go first. You work here.
For the children's clothing first.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Surprise!
Wow! Guys, this is awesome.
This is great.
Did you like the little journey we sent you on? We just wanted to do something special for the two of you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. This is awesome. This was a great journey to go on, to learn the history too of Bell Buckle.
It was fun.
And let's have some tea.
Yes.
It was our pleasure.
Envy the Lopes.